Hey friends, in this video, we are reviewing Apex Trader Funding, a leading prop trading firm, and we will also share an exclusive promo code in this video, so make sure to watch it till the end. So without any further delay, let's dive into it. Apex Trader Funding is a US-based prop firm founded in 2021 by Daryl Martin, headquartered in Austin, Texas. The brand focuses on empowering futures traders by providing funded accounts through a one-step evaluation process. Their mission is to offer flexible trading rules, high profit splits, and access to markets like CME, COMEX, NYMEX, and CBOT, catering to traders globally across 150 plus countries. Let's talk about Apex Trader Funding's key features. So its one-step evaluation requires traders to meet a profit target in just 7 trading days with no daily drawdown limits, making it one of the easiest to pass. Account sizes range from $25K to $300K with a $100K static option, supporting up to 20 accounts per user. The profit splits offers 100% of the first $25K in profits and 90% thereafter with bi-monthly payouts. Trading platform includes Rhythmic, Tradovate, and NinjaTrader with real-time data and support for 80 plus futures assets like equity, forex, agricultural, energy, and metals. The trailing drawdown rule adjusts dynamically, monitored via RTrader software. Now let's talk about some incredible pros about it. So Apex Trader Funding offers significant flexibility with no daily loss limits and relaxed consistency rules during evaluations, allowing diverse trading strategies. The 100% profit split on the first $25K and 90% thereafter is among the industry's best. Affordable pricing, frequent discounts, and a free NinjaTrader license make it accessible for beginners and pros. The one-step evaluation and ability to manage 20 accounts simultaneously boost earning potential. 24/7 customer support via live chat and a comprehensive FAQs enhance user experience. If we talk about some cons, the trailing drawdown rule can be challenging from some traders as it adjusts with unrealized profits, requiring careful risk management. No overnight positions are allowed, limiting swing trading strategies. Let's check out the overall rating of users from Trustpilot. So Apex Trader Funding has a trust score of 4.5 out of 5 based on over 14,000 reviews. Approximately 93% of reviews are 5-star, praising the firm's transparency, fast payouts, and affordable pricing. However, 1% of reviews mention issues with payout delays or strict rules, though Apex responds to 100% of negative feedbacks within days. This high rating reflects strong trader satisfaction, but always review the rules before signing up. Now let's talk about the pricing now. On Apex Trader Funding's official website, the pricing plans for Rhythmic accounts are as follows on your screen. Then there are also Tradovate plans starts from $147 per month. No free trial is offered, but reset cost $80 to $100. And don't forget guys, use our exclusive promo code XFWZXWPK to save more on your evaluation plan. Click the link in the description to get started. Thank you.